vision for the nation building. In today's era of rapid digital evolution and misinformation, the roles of communicators, be it in government or the private sector, are more challenging than ever. As communicators, you are tasked with a serious responsibility to ensure that facts, truth, and clarity prevail over misinformation and disinformation. You must be champions of truth and agents of change. You are the vital link that ensures government programs are not just implemented, but truly understood and appreciated by the public. In this regard, I urge you to take full advantage of this capacity building opportunity. The skills you refine and the networks you build in this room will directly impact the effectiveness of our institutions nationwide and beyond. Director of Ceremonies, the future of the communications profession now depends on trust, ethical leadership, innovation, and regional cooperation. A stronger public relations profession requires much more than effective communication. It demands a deliberate commitment to capacitate and strengthen our communication